Hello and welcome to Bar Mitzvah Prep DVD. This DVD will have everything that you need to prepare for bar or bat mitzvah, every aspect of the service, and including Torah blessings. On some DVDs, you'll have your Torah reading as well. And it will be organized on a chapter-by-chapter basis, so you can fast forward to any chapter you're working at on that particular time. The first lesson will be the Friday night Kiddush, as sung at Congregation Tehillah on Friday nights, and that will be done by Rabbi Shoshana Lis. I am Rabbi Ben Newman. I'll be leading you through this DVD. With that, if you would like, you can just stay on and it will go through to the Friday night Kiddush. Otherwise, you can fast forward to any other chapter that you desire.
Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, Borei Peri Hagafen.
Amen.
Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, Asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav, v'ratzavanu, v'shabbat kodsho, be'ahava uvratzon, hinchilanu, zikaron l'maaseh bereshit, ki hu yom tehillah lebikra'ei kodesh, zecher letziat Mitzrayim, ki banu v'acharta ve'otanu kidashta mikol ha'amim v'shabbat kodshecha be'ahava uvratzon hinchaltanu. Baruch atah Adonai mekadesh hashabbat.
Amen.
You could also end it like this. Baruch atah Adonai mekadesh hashabbat.
Amen.
L'chaim.
The Friday night Kiddush, as just performed by Rabbi Shoshana Lis, can be found on page 90 in Sidur Chadash for all Sabbath and festival services. Now we move on to the next chapter of our DVD, the Shema and Ve'ahavta. Chapter 2, Shema and Ve'ahavta, can be found on page 54 of Sidur Chadash for all Sabbath and festival services, and it goes as follows. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. And then we whisper, Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Leolam Va'ed. And then we say, Ve'ahavta et Adonai Elohecha B'chol levavcha, u'b'chol nafshecha, u'b'chol meodecha, v'hayu hadvarim ha'ele, asher anochi mitzavecha, hayom al levavecha, v'shinantam levanecha, v'dibarta bam, B'shivtecha b'veitecha, u'v'lechtecha v'aderech, u'v'shochbecha u'v'kumecha, u'kshartam le'ot al yadecha, v'hayu letotafot b'neinecha, u'chtavtam al mezuzot beitecha, u'visharecha. And that is the extent of your responsibility for leading the Shema and Ve'ahavta. And generally, everybody will join in for the first line of the Shema, and they will also join in for the Ve'ahavta once you start. So really, you just need to be familiar with it, and particularly familiar with the first line of the Shema and the first line of the Ve'ahavta. Chapter 3.
This is the Torah service, page 312. The first line you will sing by yourself. The following lines, which you should be familiar with, are sung along with the congregation. So you don't need to know them as well as the first lines. And I'll point out when you're at the first lines. Right now is line 1. Ein kamocha v'Elohim Adonai ve'ein kema'asecha malchutecha malchut kol olamim umemshaltecha b'chol dor v'dor. End of first line. Adonai melech, Adonai malach, Adonai yimloch leolam va'ed, Adonai oz le'amo yitein, Adonai yivarech et amo v'shalom, av ha'arachamim hitiva v'rtzoncha et Zion, tivneh chomot Yerushalayim, kivecha levad batachnu, melech elam v'nisa, Adon olamim. Chapter 4, Vayihi bin Soa. This is the second half of page 312 in Siddur Chadash. Line 1 on your own. Vayihi bin Soa Haron, Vayomer Moshe. End of solo. Kuma Adonai ve'afutzu oivecha ve'yanusu misanecha mipanecha ki mitzion tetzei Torah ki mitzion tetzei Torah udevar Adonai mirushalayim Baruch shenatan Torah Torah Baruch shenatan Torah Torah le'amo Yisrael b'kedushato. Page 320, we remove the Torah scrolls from the Ark and say the Shema and the Echad and the Godlu. Your job is to say the Shema, and then the congregation repeats, as we'll perform today, and then the Echad, congregation repeats, and then all together we sing Godlu, line 1, 2, and 3. Then we'll sing Lecha Adonai, which at that point you'll be processing with the Torah, so you don't have to learn that part, but we're going to sing it so that you're ready for right away the congregation singing Lecha. Your line will be sung by me. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad.
Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad.
Echad Eloheinu Gadol Adonenu Kadosh Shemo.
Echad Eloheinu Gadol Adonenu Kadosh Shemo.
All together, Gadol Adonai iti unerom lema shemo yachtav Adonai.
Hagidlu.
And then you'll process with the Torah. Page 322, Torah blessings. Baruch et Adonai Hamvorach.
Baruch Adonai Hamvorach Leolam Va'ed.
Baruch Adonai Hamvorach Leolam Va'ed. Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Asher Bachar Banu Mikol Ha'amim V'natan Lanu et Torato. Baruch Ata Adonai Noten HaTorah. Chapter 7, blessing after the Torah reading. Baruch Ata Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Asher Natan Lanu Torat Emet V'chaye Olam Nata B'tochenu. Baruch Ata Adonai Noten HaTorah.
Amen.
This is on the same page, page 322.
This is the Torah reading for Vayetze, Genesis chapter 29, 16 through 18. That is the second to last Torah reading, and then the last Torah reading is chapter 29, verses 19 through 21. Verse 16. Ulelavan shte vanot shem hagdola Leah v'shem hagtana Rachel ve'enei Leah rakot ve'Rachel Haita Yefat Toar Vifat Mar'eh Vayehav Yaakov Et Rachel Vayomer Evadcha Sheva Shanim Berachel Bidcha Haketana. That was Genesis chapter 29, verses 16 through 18, with the end of the Torah reading being marked at the end of 18 by that distinctive end of the Torah reading melody. Now we're going to start with verse 19. Vayomer Lavan Tov titi otalach Mititi ota leish acher shiva imadi Yavod Yaakov berachel sheva shanim vahiyu ve'enav kiyamim achadim Be'avato ota Vayomer Yaakov el Lavan Hava et ishti Ki mal'u Yamai Ve'avoa ele